Alright, let's go. Almost done with schedule for the JQ show. Got another one for y'all. This is called Just Sam. She won American Idol in 2021. And now she's broke on the subway singing for cash. So this is like a small tale, like, do good with your chances, monetize your moments. You only get the 15 minutes of fame, make as much money as you can. Make $1 million a year, make $1 million of that every minute. Okay, let's read her statement. Back in 2021, I was super embarrassed to be going back to the trains. I didn't want people to know that I legit needed money. I didn't want people to know that it was optional. I wasn't disappointed in myself for allowing myself to fall so low after winning Idol, but then I had to take it easy on me and remember that I started my journey with Idol at 20 years old, not even knowing anything about Hollywood or the music industry. Since then, I've learned so much and I've been able to take my experiences and share them with others in hopes that they don't experience the same things that I did when it comes to making it in this life. Ooh, sending shots at the industry. I don't know how to take that. But, it's a small tale. Even if you don't get on American Idol, if there's opportunities, take them and try to get better from them, like this YouTube-ish I'm trying to do. Damn, she really on the trains like that, dude. Damn, dude. I don't know, maybe she got issues, you know what I'm saying? Like, not, you know, fame ain't for everybody. I know I'm one of them. You know, I'm gonna capitalize off moments at Hollywood. Trust me. She probably got a good voice too. I never expected to win, but I did. I was so grateful, and I know that. Hold on. And I know that people are feeling like I let them down. I know everything happens for a reason, and I know this is what? And I know this too shall pass no matter what things may look like right now. I like her confidence. I like her positivity. I love her attitude. Shout out her. Just JoJo. Just Sam, I mean. Oops. Damn, she really out there though, bro. Nah, she looking crazy, dude. Shout out EM. Once again, go follow me on Instagram.com, Jonathan_Quest, SoundCloud.com, JQ Music with a K, and go get my album on Bandcamp.com, The Greatest Writers of the Century, or donate to the show, Money Sign King JQ.
The ride, enjoy your ride.
It doesn't even feel real, man.
Now the hard work starts.
Exactly, that's what I always said. When you get signed, is just the beginning to even work harder, just like this monetization.
Well, I know, you gotta give him your number.
He got his number, don't worry. Don't you worry about that. Are we done with, because this wasn't about EM. I got another EM video if you want. You know, it's basic. What was it like to sing on stage? We heard already. Oh, she said he killed it. Nice. Alright. And this is her performing also. I think she's singing Beyonce. That's why I don't really want to. Let me play a second of it. No. Sounded like a good note. But send her prayers. I'm sending prayers for her. Hope she financially gets it together. You made mad bread when you won American Idol. Utilize it. Build relationships and set them up for the future, man. Don't let it down. That's nice. Somebody donated. Oh, Kim K cries herself to sleep. Shut the She was just fucking that crackhead looking dude. She wildin', babe. I can't even. I show the celebrities being harassed by paparazzi because it's like interesting to me. Alright, yo. Thank you for listening. We out.